Hey you all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dorothy and this is a haul video. First, let's start with Urbanic. In Urbanic, I have these white pants. It has nearly 6 pockets. On the left side, it have 3, and on right side, it have only 2 pockets. The first one is towards the side and near your thighs. The second one is there on the right side, and on the left side you have 3 pockets. First towards side, second near your thigh, and third downward here. And it is spacious. It's not just for the show with very less space. And a pair of pocket at back, which is obviously there in most of the pants. And even though it is white, it is not at all transparent. As you can see, it is not at all transparent, and I ordered it in XS size. It is high-waisted cotton pants with relaxed fit, and it is not at all transparent although it is white. The product which I got from Urbanic is this tank top. The third thing I got from Urbanic is this chain. I really wanted to have this kind of multi-layered chains because it is very trendy and cool. At the bottom it have a rectangle, on the second chain it have a bow, and on the smallest chain it have a hexagon. Now talking about delivery, Urbanic delivery is very late. I ordered it on 25 May I guess, and my product got delivered a month later on 29 or 27 June I guess. So yeah, the product delivery is very late. This we know. I can say in many of the YouTubers review you can find that Urbanic delivers really late. And now talking about the city I live in, Urbanic don't ship their products in this city, so I needed to order them in some other city from where I can collect them from one of my colleagues, so I did that. Talking about Urbanic packaging, it is really good. My products came in this thick bag. You can see in this thick bags, and even inside this, in which all the products come, they give a bill and this Urbanic coupon card. So I really liked the way they gave the product, but the coupon card is only valid till 45 days from the date of delivery. The first product which I ordered from Myntra is this green earrings, which is very ethnic and traditional. I really like their detail, and it came in really nice box. It has Priyasi modern traditional jewelry. That's the Now talking about the second product which I ordered from Myntra is these earrings. It has yellow, grey and blue, dark blue, and I literally like them so much. Talking about the third product which I ordered from Myntra is this silver bag. It is from Flying Berry and it has this long handle. It is having a back chain and it is really spacious, have one front chain and 2 pockets, and the color is so adorable and it is very beautiful. I found it very cute to carry. Now the fourth product which I have from Myntra is, I ordered it a few months ago. It is not something I bought recently, but I really wanted to include it in this haul video because if I wear them out, many of my friends ask them from where I bought it, so I wanted to include it in this haul video. This silver boots, it have heels, I guess it is 4 centimeter, and have this chain at side. You can see by the creasing I have wore it several times, but I just wanted to include it in this haul video. It came in this really nice box, have All About You by Deepika Padukone, and even if it has this carry bag, you can carry your shoes whenever you are traveling out. and I literally like them so much. They are super adorable. I literally love them. This is the best thing I ever own. So yeah, that's it. For the haul, I hope you all guys enjoyed. If you did, press the like button, subscribe, comment and share. I will put all the links of the products in the description. If I did of a product, they might not be available now because it's been a long time I ordered them and I was waiting for my Urbanic products to arrive and do this haul video. So yeah, thank you.